Okay, babasahin natin si Elio. My first book of colors. Okay? Okay. Tingnan natin to. Red. Example of red. Strawberry. Apple. Okay? Sabi mo apple. Ooh, you like red? Next is blue. Blue. Sabi mo blue. That's the color blue. Sapphire and butterfly. Okay? The butterfly is color blue. Okay? Okay, another color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Example of things that are color yellow are lemon and sunflower. Okay? Next is violet. So examples are fig and eggplant. Okay? Fig. Okay? Next. Pink. Alright. Flowers. Like the flowers. And cotton candy. So those are pinks. Pink. Okay, ayusin kita. Next is black, whole, and crow. Anak,
Nakikinig pa ba siya?
hindi na siya nakikinig. Anak, masyado ka namang mainipin. 1 page a day lang.
Parang ikaw.
Okay. Next, orange. And the basketball is color orange. Can you say orange?
The basketball or the ball?
Basketball. Basketball. Orange. Green. Okay. Cucumber and broccoli. Yan, you eat that healthy para when you grow up, you are healthy and not like daddy, high cholesterol. Okay? Ayaw mo na. Tapusin na natin yung lesson natin. Gray is sample is dolphin and elephant. Okay. Next is white. Ooh, example of that is your favorite milk. Can you say milk? And ano to? Iglo o iglo?
Iglo.
And brown. Example of that is chocolate. Chocolate and bear. Okay, and those are example of color. Good job! Yay! Bye-bye!